Hey Draco.
Yo, the fuck going on, man? Big whole lot of gang shit, man.
Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another Big Q Entertainment video. Alright, so today we're starting the video off in the truck. I didn't have to work today. We're doing some upkeep. Blazer, maybe an oil change today. I don't know. It is 94 degrees outside. Your boy ain't trying to do nothing. I got the AC blasting in the Silverado, you know what I'm saying? And we're on the way to the parts store to pick up a orifice tube and some Freon for the Red Falcon. No, we're on the way to pick up the orifice tube for the Blazer. I got another opportunity. I got blessed with another opportunity to work somewhere else. And I want to start driving the Blazer a little bit more. So I'm trying to see if I can get the AC work, you know what I'm saying? My boy Tommy told me what to do. He the AC professional, you know what I'm saying? So he told me what to do. We head into, I don't know, I'm thinking O'Reilly's. And we're gonna see how much this orifice tube is. If it's $20, the Blazer ain't never had AC when I had it. So it ain't gonna have it, the orifice tube is $20. But catch you guys at O'Reilly's.
Nigga, we crop your gang, got the picture, got more shots than some liquor. Say you slime, but I'm slicker. I kinda move like a lizard. Anyway.
Alright, so orifice tube, check. Or actually I should say orifice tubes, check. Them babies were only like $3 a piece. Literally $3 a piece. So you know what I said? I said give me two, just in case I drop one. And I know this, okay? I just want to check. I looked in there to see how much their Freon was. The cheapest one was like $20. So Ollie's, good stuff, cheap. So I didn't get lucky with the whole Freon thing, but I did get lucky with two of these for $6 a piece, and you know in the store they're like $15 for one. So some adulting, some adulting. Okay, so we have the orifice tube. We took the dryer out. I really think that's the dryer. Yeah, that's the dryer, condenser, orifice tube. All right, drop. Don't quote me if I'm wrong. I'm not an AC guy for cars. I'm not. I make them go fast and look cool. I don't fix the AC, but whether I put a dryer in, I need both hands for this, so I will let you guys know if the AC works or not. Cool thing. So by us spraying water on the condenser, right?
Yeah.
By us spraying water on the condenser, the needles finally want to level out. So what does that mean? I need another condenser coil?
That's what I'm thinking, Queen.
Man.
You still don't feel like it's going through the system like it should.
So that could possibly be
You have another
clogged up.
Yeah.
So we changed the orifice tube, that worked. It's starting to leak a little bit of condenser water. And we got the goggles out, put a little bit of dye in there to see where it was leaking from. We saw a little leak by the low pressure sensor. But other than that, we can just get another sensor and tighten it up. But still might be clogged up. Or what we could do one day is take both these lines off at the bottom. Oh, sorry. We about had a malfunction here. She's a little bit slippery. Take both of the lines off. I know you don't want to blow air through it. No air? Okay. I'm supposed to take it out. Okay. Well, I'll order another condenser, I guess. You gotta take the radiator out to do it. That part sucks, but I mean, I want AC. It'll be nice to have it. I haven't had it for this long, but I guess we're gonna see what can make it happen. So, nothing. Yeah. Oh, that's all the water. I forgot. But right now, she's at a good 82.2. She was at 75 earlier, but I just think that condenser got a leak somewhere That condenser's got a leak somewhere where we can't see it. But right now, I'm not gonna really worry about it. I had to take the dash out to get the freaking dash working. Don't let that gas fool you. She better run out of gas, you see? See if you can catch it again. Yep, she better run out of gas, but it's not overheating. The oil pressure, don't let the oil pressure fool you either. She got good oil pressure. A little bit of smutty in the back seat. Back seats are pretty clean. The whole thing's pretty clean, actually. Scooby's chilling. Scooby, you good? Yeah, Scooby's good. Oh! My dad just hit my car. It's alright, he tried to play it off. But I guess I'm not gonna really worry about it too much. I'm gonna end it there, and we'll pick back up another day when we get the AC working. Probably next week. I'll have more time off next week. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.